Greetings, Hamster Hangout Book Club members. Today is a very exciting day. For Monday, March 23rd, we are going to have a My Choice Monday kind of a day. And I am going to have you log in to your Raz Kits. I'm going to go in through Farah just to look at some of the examples in here. And when we go in to look at the book choices, I see that she's got some things changed on her avatar, but I'm also going to give you some time today to earn some more points. That's what My Choice Monday is all about, is earning some more choice points so that you can accessorize and have some fun with your avatar today as well. And I'm not sure if your family members have actually seen some of your avatar features and your rocket and the things that you can purchase with your reading points. So I want to make sure that we still have some time for that fun motivator and get some of that choice time in today. So you can go in through your level up, and these are all your book choices. Let's see if I can open this up just a smidge. If we look over here, my screen is a little bit cut off, but I can see most of the choices for Farah, and she has the ability to listen to, which is reading along with the computerized reader, read aloud and record herself, and then answer the quiz questions. I'm going to ask you to do that today. Go all the way through all three of those steps with a book of your choice. You're going to listen to, record and read, and do the quiz questions. And this is going to earn you quite a bit more star points. So Farah, I see up here that you only have 275 points right now. This is really going to add to your point total. Once you do a book of your choice and go through all three steps, then you're going to go in through your star zone and look at some of the features, which I'll talk to you about that in a little bit. But as I scroll down, I'm seeing that there are nonfiction and fiction choices. Some of these books are informative. The author's purpose is to inform the reader. Some of these books are entertaining. The author's purpose is just to entertain, maybe make you laugh, make you cry, or tell you about a pretend character that faces a problem or an adventure. Some of these books can even be persuasive. They might be trying to persuade you to do something or be a part of a cause or a movement. And, there's lots of different reasons why we choose the books that we choose. I tend to love nonfiction books or books that are informative, but that may not be your choice. You may love pretend characters that face adventures and problems. So I want to just show you the difference between the two and then ask you to be really just have fun choosing one of these books in your leveled library to go through all three steps. So let's compare a couple. This one right here, this is called Bessie Coleman. It has a real photograph. It's about a real person named Bessie Coleman. This would be considered a biography because it tells information about a real person in history. Now, what's interesting about this is that it is a nonfiction book that is informative. It's giving us information. And then this one down below it, this Morty and Charming Theo, this is actually a fiction book that is just for entertainment. This book is meant to entertain us. It has a pretend character that faces a problem or adventure. So you see kind of the contrast of your choices. You may choose any one of these stories to go through all three steps. As I'm looking through here, I've noticed what Farah has chosen to read thus far, some different things, and I'm looking to see, I like the idea of the glow-in-the-dark animals. Now, I think that Leo has already read glow-in-the-dark animals, so that may not be one that he chooses again, but let's pretend like this is for Farah's choice. She would go in here and she would click the Read to Me feature and go through the story that way first. then I'm going to go ahead and click the My Turn to Read button because I want to remind you how you can record yourself reading. So you click the little book. This is the read out loud version. And up here is a little microphone. And if you click the little microphone, it's actually going to record you reading through the book, which is awesome. These other tools are drawing tools. Like if it would help you to highlight while you're reading, sometimes that helps me. You can do that. I'm going to go ahead and click the record me reading feature. Level Book R, Glow in the Dark, Animals, written by Ron Friedel. Glow in the Dark, Animals, written by Ron Friedel. Table of Contents, Living Light, page 4. Reasons to Glow, page 5. The Science Behind the Glow, page 10. So as you click the microphone, you can record, pause, you can keep track of your reading and listen back to yourself if you want to choose that. This is just an idea. So remember what I said. I want you to choose one of the books from your leveled library. It can be anything. And you're going to go through all 3 steps. You're going to do the listen to, the read and record, and then after you're finished, I'll go up here and show you a sample because this one already has the, you have to actually listen to and read the story before the quiz pops up. But after you do those steps, you're going to take the quiz. And remember, this is what the quizzes look like. And if you miss questions, it'll have you go back until you can make corrections and get the right answer. All of this is going to give you a lot of star points. And if I go up here to my star zone, this is the fun with My Choice Monday. You're going to earn points that you can change your backgrounds. See how you can buy different backgrounds with your star points. There's lots of different background choices. You can change your avatar. Okay, Farrah's got some really cool features already to her avatar, but with her additional star points, she can make lots of changes to her avatar. Or she can add or buy accessories for her Raz Rocket. Let's see what she's got in her Raz Rocket already right now. Oh, her Raz Rocket is looking pretty empty. Oh, Farrah, you're going to need to earn some points, friend, so you can put some furniture or different things in your Raz Rocket. There's lots of cool choices for you. So, this is what we're going to do for My Choice Monday. Please email me if you have a question, or you can actually type directly into our Hamster Hangout book club stream, and I will get back with you as soon as possible. Remember, we do not have any live stream time today, Monday, March 23rd, but we will meet up again soon, and I will post that in the stream when we have a live session time. Thanks so much. Bye.